On top of horse, Coral Princess. Standby na po ay Dispatch 2013 First Leg Juvenile Pili Stakes. Good luck to all of you. And to all the participants. Marinks. Gates open, they're up and racing. Price Dancer draws for your lead. Marinks down on the inside. Ceiling Pula moving up is Coral Princess. As they pass the half-mile pole, two runners parting out for the lead. Joining them is Coral Princess from the outside, rushing up to grab the lead. Marinks shuffle back in second, Price Dancer in third, and Ceiling Pula is in behind them as they round towards the 450. Coral Princess leading the field. Marinks down on the inside, racing in third. Price Dancer and Ceiling Pula as they race at the final corner. Marinks moves up to grab the lead. Coral Princess shuffle back in second. Price Dancer is by the rail third. Ceiling Pula with 150 to go. Jackie Jesse Basilio Guse on top of horse favorite. Marinks starts to draw away and winning the first leg of Juvenile Pili Stakes. Then comes Price Dancer, Coral Princess, and Ceiling Pula.